The KICKER 12-inch comp subwoofer bundle is designed to deliver powerful bass without occupying much space. It features a robust downfiring enclosure that is built to handle extreme bass with ease. The package includes a 400-watt mono Class D subwoofer amplifier to provide excellent sound control. The subwoofer's thermal management is outstanding thanks to its full perimeter venting and UniPlate backplate. You can safely load cargo on top of the subwoofer, maximizing your vehicle's space while enjoying deep bass. The bundle also includes a top-quality amplifier wiring kit, ensuring a seamless setup experience.